Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, if you know me, we are doing another travel vlog. We are going back to Maryland, back to the DMV again. I know it's been like the 100th time this year, but yeah, we're gonna be going to the DMV. We're gonna be visiting my sister. Her birthday is this weekend. Super excited for her. We're gonna turn up, party, all of that good stuff. So yeah, this vlog will be us preparing and getting ready for that trip. As you guys can see, I look a mess. Hair not done, lashes not done, eyebrows literally nothing. I haven't had anything done in a little while, you guys. Like, that's like how much has been going on. Nails, toes, everything. So we're gonna be doing full maintenance in this video. So yeah, if you'd like to see how I prepare for my trip, just keep watching. I actually just got back. I meant to vlog earlier and just didn't even think about it because I haven't been vlogging for a little while now. It's been a couple of months, but yeah, I went out and ran some errands today just to start my prep. Today is actually Wednesday, so I fly out on Friday and I'm coming back Tuesday. This is a really last minute trip. Because of everything that I had going on, I just didn't think I was gonna be able to make it for her birthday this year, but everything ended up working out, so I'm gonna be able to go, but it's very last minute, so I'm like rushing, trying to get everything together. Homegirl needed a new suitcase because I broke my suitcase. If not the last trip, the trip before that. So yeah. Anyways, I just got back from running some errands and I'm gonna show you guys what I got to help me prepare for packing for my trip. So yeah, be right back. So we're gonna start off with Target. Pretty much everything is gonna be from Target. I forgot that a couple of things I needed from other places they were out of, so that's really the only place I shopped. Actually spent money today. So for one, I got a Burt's hydrating mask. Got some Clorox wipes, of course, because I need those. Wipe down your your area before you sit down in your seat on the plane. Some wet ones, I always just like to keep those. Cottonelle wipes, which I don't really need, but I love to have them. And then I also got a Shea Moisture hydration pack. Again, like I said, I'm just trying to make sure everything is real hydrated. So I am going to be doing my own hair this time around because I didn't have time to make an appointment, obviously. So I'm going to do that tonight so that I can do my hair tomorrow. I got these little jars. I wanted like the tubes or whatever, like the squeezable tubes, but they didn't have any. At least they didn't have them in colors that I wanted. So I just got those. I'm just putting my skincare in those. And then I got, of course, a Dove spray deodorant. I needed to refill my Q-tips, so I got that. I got this because I've been hearing everybody talk about them on YouTube everywhere. It's a rinse off body conditioner by Olay. So I got that. Oh, I got Chi heat protectant. Try that out because I'm going for like a silk press. That's what I'm trying to do. So we'll see how that turns out. Also read up on my Dr. Teal's because I plan on taking me a little bath, just a relaxing bath before I go. Let's see. And one item that I did get, I just kind of stumbled across this. I found this little round basket and I thought this was so cute. So the other baskets that I have in my pantry are like this wired, I don't know what's up with my Alexa, but the other baskets in my pantry are like wired and whatnot. So I thought this was so cute. I definitely think I want to get one more. I don't know, maybe I can put like chips or something in it, but I don't know. I thought this was really, really cute. So for this one specifically, I'm going to put my condiments, but I'm going to see online if they have another one and probably do like chip snacks or something. I don't know, something in those. So yeah, I love that. And it was only $12.99. Yeah, it was in the Magnolias section, I believe. So yeah, okay. And then the new suitcase. So I picked that up. I don't know all the details about it. It was just pretty much, I was looking everywhere and nobody really had any suitcases in stock that I could have like just picked up today because everything was last minute. I didn't have time to order one. And even when I looked on Amazon, the ones that I saw on there, for some reason, they were going to take like days to get here. Like they wouldn't arrive until like the day that I need to leave. And I just don't want to play around with that. And then it come, you know, the day that I have to leave and it's still not here. Like it doesn't make it in time in the mail. So I just went ahead with this one. Target had it. It is a little small, so I'm interested to see how all of my stuff fits in it. But I don't know, I'm only gonna be gone for a few days, so hopefully that will work. And I'm trying not to take a carry-on. Yeah, because usually when I go to the airport, I'm looking like the bag lady. Like I be having a million bags. So I'm trying not to bring a carry-on. I just want to bring like my Telfar tote and this suitcase. So yeah, that's the plan. Hopefully we can fit everything in there. I wasn't able to go shopping for this trip, so that should minimize like some of the packing. But yeah, we'll see how that goes. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and put all of this stuff up, and I'll probably check back in with you guys once I start doing more prep and whatnot for the trip. Hey guys, good morning. So I did not check back in with you guys last night. What did I do last night? I cooked. Yeah, and then me and my husband watched a scary movie. But we're gonna jump back into this maintenance vlog, and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm up to today. So I decided today I want to go ahead and do all of the maintenance. So today we're going to be getting our nails done, we're gonna be getting our toes done, we're going to tackle this wasp nest that I have up here, do some naring today. Hopefully the nair is good to us, because the last time I nared my underarms, girl, she tried to take off my skin too. Hey guys, good morning. So today is Friday. I just finished my hair. I just wanted to check back in with you guys because I haven't checked back in. Honestly, I've been losing track of time, losing track of things that I'm supposed to be doing, whatever. So I haven't been able to vlog this maintenance how I wanted to. So this is probably just gonna be like a little weekly vlog, or just, you know, travel vlog or something. But yeah, I just finished putting my tape-ins in. I did a treatment on them. I don't know if maybe I needed to leave it a little bit longer. They feel soft, but I don't know. I don't know if you guys can tell. I don't know if maybe like they're just damaged or something. I don't know. Because honestly, I haven't been taking care of them the way I should be. But anyways, they'll do the job. I think I might just bring my crimp iron and maybe just crimp my hair for the weekend or something. I don't know. We'll see. But this is what it looks like now. So I just wanted to show you guys that. Real silky smooth. And then my hair is like right here. So it's really not much, you know, a few inches longer than mine. But I love the tape-ins just because it gives me that thickness. My hair is just so thin that it does nothing for me. But yeah. So hair is done. Nails, oh, I didn't even come back and show you guys my nails. So these are my nails. Sorry, my hands look kind of crusty. I literally just got done 2 seconds ago doing my hair, and I was like, let me show y'all really quick. Hopefully I can get it down. Like I still think I'll probably go to a stylist to get the tape-ins done, but in between times or whatever, I might do them myself. I don't know, we'll see, like just if it's like a need to. But yeah, I'll try to show you guys the process. But yeah, those are the nails, and then I just got white on my toes. The theme of the weekend is like black, chrome, silver kind of vibes. So I was like, well, let me try the chrome. So I think it came out pretty good. And I'll probably check back in with you guys like when I'm headed to the airport, or, you know, sometime later on today.